Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel HBO Max subscription step by step clearly. First, check how you subscribed, because the cancellation method depends on whether you paid on HBO Max, Apple, Google Play, Amazon, Roku, or through a TV or mobile provider. If you are not sure, open the HBO Max app, go to Settings, and look for billing information to see the payment source. On a computer, open a browser and go to Max.com. Click Sign in and log in with the email and password you use for HBO Max. After signing in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Find and open Subscription or Billing, depending on what you see on your account page. Look for a button that says Manage Subscription. Click Manage Subscription and read the plan details to confirm you are on the correct account. Click Cancel Subscription or Cancel Plan. When asked for a reason, choose any option or skip if skipping is available. Confirm the cancellation when the final confirmation screen appears. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page or note the cancellation date for your records. Check your email inbox for an official cancellation confirmation email from HBO Max. If you subscribe through Apple, open iPhone or iPad settings and tap your name at the top. Tap Subscriptions and select Max or HBO Max from the list. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm. Then check that it shows an expiration date instead of a renewal date. If you subscribed through Google Play, open the Google Play Store app on Android. Tap your profile icon. Then tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then Subscriptions. Select Max or HBO Max and tap Cancel Subscription. Then follow the prompts to confirm. If you subscribe through Amazon, go to Amazon.com and open your memberships and subscriptions. Find Max or HBO Max and choose Manage Subscription. Then turn off Auto Renew or Cancel, depending on the options shown. If you subscribed through Roku, sign in to your Roku account at my.roku.com. Open Manage Your Subscriptions. Select Max or HBO Max and choose Unsubscribe. Then confirm. If you subscribed through a TV, mobile, or internet provider, go to that provider's website or app and open your add-ons or subscriptions section. Find HBO Max or Max in the add-ons list and choose Remove, Cancel, or turn off Auto Renew. Then confirm. After canceling, keep using HBO Max until the end of your current billing period, because access usually stays active until the renewal date. To avoid surprise charges, double-check that the subscription status says canceled and that auto-renew is off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.